Passive income streams allow you to earn money with minimal effort, providing a steady stream of cash flow that can help you achieve financial independence and retire early with minimal ongoing effort or maintenance. One major approach is through rental properties, where tenants provide rental income that exceeds expenses like mortgages and maintenance costs. Creating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software can also generate passive income through sales or subscriptions. Ultimately, diversifying across multiple income streams can help provide resilience and stability while freeing up time for other pursuits and investments. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your full-time job, passive income can help you achieve your financial goals. Like, subscribe, and follow The Wealth Pioneer for more.